In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to streamline your content creation process by setting custom personas and generating high-quality Listicle blog posts. Let's get started. I'll start by opening ChatGPT and pasting in a custom persona prompt. I'm telling the AI that I'm Josh, a content creator and educator, and I want it to act as my professional Listicle writer. This helps set the tone and ensures every response follows a specific set of quality standards, like avoiding repetitive ideas and focusing on actionable tips. Once I hit enter, ChatGPT confirms it understands my requirements and outlines the principles it will follow, such as audience fit and a clean blog style. Now, I'll provide my first real topic. I go to my notes and copy a prompt asking for a listicle on the 10 habits of highly productive freelancers. I've specified that I want a clear heading, a detailed explanation, and a practical tip for each point. As the AI begins generating the post, I scroll down to review the results. It's covering essential habits like planning the day before, focusing on high-value work, and setting clear boundaries. I love how it adds a practical tip at the end of each section to make the advice immediately useful for the reader. Next, let's try an SEO-optimized post. I copy a new prompt targeting the keyword, best tools for content creators, and ask for a list of 12 tools. I've also asked for a description of what each tool does in its pricing tier. As I scroll through the response, you can see it's organized into helpful categories. It lists writing and idea generation tools like Notion and Grammarly, then moves into design tools like Canva and Adobe Photoshop. It even covers video tools like CapCut and Descript. This structure is perfect for keeping readers engaged and helping them find exactly what they need. For a different approach, I'll ask for a thought leadership piece. This prompt focuses on 7 uncomfortable truths about building a freelance business. I want the tone to be honest, confident, and slightly contrarian. As the text appears, it hits on some really important points, like the fact that skill alone is rarely enough and the reality of inconsistent income. This shows how versatile the AI can be when you provide a specific angle or a unique perspective to follow. Finally, I want to create a reusable system for my future projects. I asked ChatGPT to build a Listicle blog post template that includes formulas for titles, an introduction framework, and a specific structure for each list item. It provides a solid breakdown, including different title options like the classic Listicle or curiosity-driven headlines. To finish, I have it show me a completed example using this new template on the topic of simple productivity habits. Now I have a reliable, professional workflow that I can apply to any topic to produce consistent results every time. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.